Custom built on 2.5 acres of privacy. Convenient to school/shopping. Wait, company taxes only. No HOA, no fees, no one telling you what you can/can't do. Huge driveway pad perfect for boat, RV, or business trailer. Oversized garage west/workshop space. Huge downstairs master bedroom with bay window sitting area. Extra large kitchen. Second master upstairs. 4 bedrooms plus giant bonus room. 3 full baths. Second floor walk-in storage. Natural gas heat, new heat exchanger. New natural gas hot water heater. Fresh coat of paint.